So we got a 2003 GMC here, and customer went and got us this purge valve. That's what he wants to change. I'm gonna scan the codes and find out, but he refused for me to scan it and let him know what it is. And he bought me one. It was wrong, but we got another one here. So what we're gonna do is, it's a number 8mm here, so you might need an 8mm socket. And this baby should just come right off. This is loose. He had it loose, so I didn't even manage to get tools. When I do finish this out, I'm gonna lock it up. So once you have that off, this thing just pops right off from back there, and there's the baby. Looks something like it. And it has a 1-pin connector. I said 1-pin connector. You got 2 wires, so this thing, all you have to do is squeeze it and pull this off. And it got 1 connector right over here. So you do need to get this connector to come out. And these GMC connectors, they're really sensitive. There you go. This is what size engine this is. He was asking me and I wasn't able to tell him because the truck wasn't here. So this is 5.3 liter. So all we got is another 8mm right there. We're gonna take that baby off, and this guy should come off. And then I will post the code at the end of the video. But let me get this baby going before we even take it apart. But it does, yeah, it's a different looking design, but pretty much it should be a good fit there. And the box, let's take a look at the box. He got it from Advanced Auto, CarQuest, and there's the part number. CarQuest, that's the brand. I guess that's the company that makes it. We don't need a box. Okay, it should be a simple repair. When it got me this 8mm with a 2-inch extension and a 3/8 driver ratchet, we're gonna come over. We're gonna turn this baby counterclockwise, just like so. And this baby's gonna come out. Make sure you don't drop nothing down there. So this baby is loose. Let's put the bolt somewhere safe. And what we're gonna do is, you just want to wiggle this guy, and this little gray guy right here wants to fall apart. So they do have this little mechanism, so we do need to put this back together. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna transfer this guy onto that new guy here. So pretty much with one hand I'm able to take this guy off, and with one hand I'm able to put this on, and this guy goes up above this. If you want to put a little bit of a lube on this guy, you can put a little bit of lube on this. This baby is gonna go back on, and don't need no oil, but that's fine right there. Let's take our bolt here. This bolt goes in. So if you guys want to change this piece, don't hit the mechanic. Do it yourself. It's a 5-minute job. This video is probably longer than that. But it's gonna take you guys just hand tight, okay? You don't want to go crazy. Make sure this is nice and firm, and so you don't have any vacuum leak. This little guy comes off, and what you want to do is, let's put the connector on next. So make sure you feel the connector go in nice and firm, and your vacuum, your evap line, it should click right in. So it's not clicking in. So there you go, and it should not come out. Anyway, so you see how it sits to the bottom? Make sure yours sits to the bottom. Anyways, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And the code, you might want to scan it if you want to change this purge valve here. You can change it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. At the end, what you want to do is make sure this guy latches on all the way at the end. Make sure your bolt sits right in firm, and make sure you lock this baby up as well. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done and set. If you guys have any questions again, don't forget to send me a message.